What is the first question that often comes up is what is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org? They are completely different things and it's a bit confusing. I will just take few moments to clarify the differences. WordPress.com is the fully hosted service that you can sign up for and you can build your own blog or your own website without having much underlying WordPress technology. So, on the other hand, WordPress.org is where you can download the free WordPress software and install it on your own web server. Having WordPress.com is similar like renting an apartment in a complex. You don't have to worry about pipe freezing or anything. It's all your landlord's job. So similar is WordPress.com. They will take care of all updates, backups, and security. And WordPress.org is like buying your own house. You can do anything with your own house. So in WordPress.org, you need to configure and fix all the problems yourself. It comes up with different options, and if you know how to work on WordPress, then it could be best for you. In WordPress.com, there are also still the same options, but these are changeable and flexible with the different pricing plans. You can have a look at these pricing plans, which I am going to show you here. There are different personal, premium, business, and the e-commerce plans, which are very different from each other, and these comes up with the different functionalities. Like if you want to use the premium themes, then you cannot use this personal license. On the other hand, for the WordPress.org, it is a single web solution and free software which you can use on your web host. You need to purchase just an annual web hosting for your website and a domain, and this software is free. Of course, there are many free plugins and themes available on the WordPress.org. All you need to know is self-hosted WordPress might be a better fit for you, and my recommendation is same for you. We will use the WordPress software in this course. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel.